Assalamualaikum students of 5 class. Take out your 5 class workbook, page number 15, unit poem. This morning is our history test. Okay, we use a smiley when we want to make a comparison. For example, the soldier was as brave as a lion when he faced the enemy. Pick out the best word from the box to complete each of the following. Smiley is when we want to make a comparison. Okay, here they have given us sentences, we have to fill it. He was a very tough as a bull. The water in the lake was as clear as crystal. There was nothing in the room, it was as clean as a whistle. She was as innocent as a lamb. The dancer was as graceful as a swan. The children were as good as a gold. Conjunction. We have already done conjunction. Conjunction words are basically those words which we use to join two sentences, two words, etc. Like this, Maha and Hassan. Maha, Hassan, we are adding and, which is our conjunction word. Live in Karachi, one sentence, but they have not lived there long. They have not lived there long, second sentence. This is one sentence, this is another one, and we are joining these two sentences with the word but, which is our conjunction. Like this we have to do all the rest. They like the house but not the area in which they live. They do not like it because there is a bus station right next to it. It is noisy and dirty, but at least they can catch a bus easily. Okay, turn on page number 16 now. They cannot hear the noise when they shut the doors and windows. They will move if the noise gets worse. Okay, if. Complete the following using when, it, how, that, etc. with the word conjunction once. Okay, we have to add conjunction here also. No one could see how it looked like. Okay, how is a word of conjunction. Next is you will go there, make sure you don't tell anyone. Next, I do not know when they have gone. He said that is a conjunction word. He will leave tomorrow. We never did find out how he unlocked the puzzle. Next, our interjection word. We already have done interjection. Okay, I'm briefly explaining you about interjection. Interjection is a word which we use to express our emotions, our feelings. These are the words. Ouch, said the little girl when the aunt nipped her finger. Ouch, oh, hey, goodness gracious. All these words are your interjection words. Picture composition. Okay, now turn on page number 17. 18. Long words, tall stories. Long word, tall stories. Okay. They have given you different words: sky, flag, touch, last words. Okay, and we have to choose this one word from this and second word from this box, and then we have to make one compound word. Compound words are the words which have two words, more than two words in the grand words, which will called compound words. Like here, sky and scraper. So it will become our skyscraper. Like this, toothbrush, headmasters, flagpole, sunlight, classroom, third wheel, mudguard, woodpeckers. You have to make like this. Okay. Proverbs are the old sayings. Okay, here proverbs basically. Okay, proverbs are short, well known pithy sayings stating a general truth or a piece of advice. Okay, general truth or piece of advice. So you have to complete these proverbs. All is well that ends well. Cut your coat according to your cloth. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. A stitch in time saves 9. All that glitters is not gold. A bad workman always blame his tools. Okay, next is homophones. Homophones, these are the words which sound the same but are spelled differently. Example, peace, peace. They have same sound but different meanings, different spellings. Feet, feet. Hole, hole. Ring, ring. Okay? So you have to make a sentences with these words. I found a piece of bread in kitchen. Pakistan is a peaceful country. Getting the first position is not a feat. There is a pain in my feet. The whole class was present in the presentation. There is a hole in the door. Asma is wringing out her clothes after washing them. She bought her daughter a beautiful ring. So they have same sound but different meanings here. You have to write homophones for the following: york, york, steel, steel, weight, weight, bean, bean, male, male, great, great, cell, cell, flower, flower. Okay? Okay, preposition, as you know about preposition. The preposition is a word which we use to show the relation. Typically we show the relation with noun, phrases. These are the words of, in, for, on, to, by, etc. The preposition words. A preposition is a word, a group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrases to show the direction, time, place, location, etc. Okay? So here you have to fill these blanks. Accused of, succeeded in, sorry for, insisted on, occurred to, upset by. Okay, we have done our workbook activities of unit number 3. That's it, student. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.